so beautiful. So you guys know how much I love nature, exploring, and art. So really there's no business advice in this video. Just want you guys to join me and my soul in what really makes me happy and free, which is exploring my backyard, going out into nature, creating art, and just finding ways to really balance my lifestyle with such a busy business schedule and a work schedule. So I took the afternoon off today, and it's a Monday, and I just said, you know what, it's sunny, I need to take advantage of the sun. So here's a little tour of what you guys get to see on my little adventure today. I don't know. Let's try it.
Slow and steady. Whoa.
Slow and steady.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
My favorite thing to see when I'm in nature. And I just love the sun coming through the trees. It's so gorgeous. All right, let's continue our walk. Okay, I don't know where my brother went. He just like slipped. This is kind of what we do randomly. We go off the trails. Okay, let's see what this says. Brown Creek Islands, Pacific Salmon Life Cycle. That you can sit on and just chill and take in all of God's creation and beauty. This bird is singing. I love this color. Orange peeking through, fall color. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye to this beautiful little trail. So the ending, you guys are probably curious to know, where are we? And I will show you. Vetter Greenway. So I've decided that when I take you guys on my little super soul charged Saturdays or Sundays, and I'm going out into nature and also creating art, may as well do something along the lines of explore the Fraser Valley and what your backyard has to offer, because I do go to these little hidden gems that I don't think a lot of people know about. A part of me is like, ooh, it's a secret, do I tell you guys? But if you're joining me along my journey, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll give you guys exclusive deets on where to go for your trails and nature walk, and just to explore and see what's out there in the Fraser Valley.